Hello friends, welcome to our channel. The topic of today's video is English essay on for Atmanirbhar Bharat. The Indian Constitution and democracy are the biggest enablers. Heading says के preface, specialty of Indian Constitution and democracy, role of Indian Constitution in the self-reliant India, obstacles in the path of self-reliant India, and epilogue. Let's start. Preface. Prime Minister of our country Shri Narendra Modi ji has envisioned the self-reliant India as an independent India. The dream of creating an India will be realized only when every citizen of India moves on the path of progress, and every citizen of India will get equal rights and there will be a same law for all. When all citizens will be equal in terms of constitution and law, this is the biggest feature of the Constitution and democracy of India, that it gives every citizen of India equal opportunities for living, education, employment, expression of ideas and everything else, which is the first and important step towards becoming the best of any nation. Specialty of Indian Constitution and democracy. The Constitution of any country protects all the rights of the citizens of the country. So we can say that the Constitution of any country is the soul of that country. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950, according to which India is a total dominant socialist sectarian democratic republic. It has 465 articles written in the 25 parts and 12 schedules. The Constitution and democracy of India gives equal opportunity to all citizens of India: social, economic, political, justice, expression of ideas, freedom of faith, religion and worship, education and employment. Role of Indian Constitution in self-reliant India. The Constitution of India has played an important role in making India self-reliant, giving equal rights to every person living in India. Today, India is in the final stages of becoming almost self-sufficient in many areas. The Constitution of India gives every citizen of India the freedom to choose the field of employment or business by taking education in any field of his choice. The government is utilizing the country's talent in the progress of the country by encouraging youngsters to set up new businesses through startup programs and at the same time emphasizing on Make in India, so that India's money can be invested in India by ending India's dependence on foreign countries. Therefore, both the Indian Constitution and democracy strengthen India's growing strides towards self-reliance. Under the Self-Reliant India campaign, efforts are being made to connect all the youths who are undergoing training, and some youth have also joined self-employment after training. Obstacles in the path of self-reliant India. Hunger, poverty, corruption, unemployment, communalism, resilience of law and order, poor education and health services are the biggest obstacles to making India a fully self-reliant India. Even today, there are riots in our society in the name of caste and religion, which pulls India two steps backward and hurts national dignity. Women's safety and education are also important issues, without solving which India cannot become self-sufficient. Epilogue. Today, India is progressing successfully to achieve the goal of self-sufficiency, in which our constitution is our biggest help to our democracy. Which our constitution and democracy are the biggest help, which gives us so much freedom. Therefore, all the countrymen will have to meet and be determined to make their country self-reliant. Only then we will get the privilege of living in a self-sufficient India. तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसा लगा आपको ऐसे? अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.